Good morning, friends. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So, on the way to learn our stock market classes, now we are going to discuss today regarding bonus and dividend announced by that company. In television or in newspaper, you just heard that company is going to announce the bonus and that company is going to announce the dividend. But what is that? How they announce that? So let's understand three things. First is the bonus, second is the dividend, and third is the split. First of all, we will discuss regarding bonus and dividend. Then we are going to discuss about split. So what is bonus? Bonus means if any company give extra share to their shareholder, that is known as the bonus. For example, if you have total one share with you and company is going to give you two extra share, that means company is going to give the bonus like this, 2:1, right? That means for every one share there will be two extra share, so that is known as 3 share. So that means bonus will be extra share given by the company to every shareholder, that is known as the bonus. We will understand what is the formula behind it, but let's understand about the dividend. Dividend means what? Dividend means part of profit. That means if any company earn $1 lakh and there are total 1 lakh shareholder in that particular company, that means that company is going to distribute $1 to every shareholder, that is known as the dividend. That will be the extra. If a company earns, what they can do? From that earning, what they can do? They can do three things. Either they can invest for growth of the company, either they can give us bonus, either they can give us dividend. Okay, so dividend is a part of profit. That 1 lakh profit, is company is willing to give dividend, then the share of that particular profit will come to shareholder, that is known as the dividend. If company don't want to give dividend, then they can invest in growth or bonus, but it all depend on the board of directors of the company. Now, what is the formula behind it? How they give? For understand all these things, we have to understand three things. First, what is the shareholding pattern of that company? What is the reserve of that company? And what is the net worth of that company? That means if there is one company ABC and its launches its share and listed its share on stock market, then there should be number of shares, right, which will be tradable on stock market. There is a rule that if any company want to list themselves on stock market, they have to list at least 25% of their share on stock market, and that 25% share will be known as the shareholding. Okay, and it will be distributed. That means as a retail trader, either we can purchase 1 share or 1 lakh share like that, or an institution can also purchase, but that 25% share will be distributed to shareholders which they can purchase from stock market. Now, for example, this company has 1 crore share, right? That means there will be some value of this share. So now come a word face value. At initial stage, when company launch their share, there should be one value that may be $10. That value is known as the face value. Before launching the share on the stock market platform, there are directors, there are founders of that company, and company gives them share on a face value at an initial value. That initial value is known as face value. So that means if the initial value of that particular share was $10 and the number of share was 1 crore, that means total market cap of that company was what? 10 crore dollar. That means the market cap of that company was 10 crore dollar. Now, when they provide dividend or when they provide bonus, they don't touch it. That is the market value is all is well, but apart from it, there should be some reserve. Okay, that means shareholding is what? 10 crore dollar. Now, for example, that company has some asset, okay, some assets, some buildings like that, and they have total asset of 10 crore. That means their total net worth will be 20 crore dollar if there is no liability. If there is no liability, then their net worth would be 20 crore dollar. So when that company provide bonus or dividend, they just use that reserve. Okay, that 10 crore dollar they just used to provide bonus and provide dividend. They don't use this. Okay, but that means if company is going to announce 1:2 bonus and the company price was $100 at initial stage, that means if we have two share with us, then we will got one more share. Two share with us and we will got one more share. So that will be total 3 share with us. But the price of that company share will be down. It will be divided by 3. That is total 3 share now. So the company price will be around $34. If they are going to announce 1:4 bonus, that means they are going to give us 1 share extra on 4 each. That means we had already 4 share before and 1 share they are going to extra. That means total 5 share we have after that bonus. That means that share price will be divided by 5, that is $20 after announcing of the bonus. So that means that bonus will come, that will be the extra share come, but it will come from the reserve. But in case of split, what they do, if the face value of the company, is $10, okay, and the price of that particular share is $100, so when they announce split, if they announce 1:2 split, that means if we have 1 share in our hand, we will get extra 2 share. That means 1 share we have already and 3 share we will get. That is total, 2 share we will get, and total 3 share will be in our hand. But in that case, the share price will be down by 3, that means $34. Apart from it, the face value of that company, which was $10 earlier, it will also decrease by 3, that is $3.5, like that. So that means in case of split, the face value of that company, what is the face value? Face value means the initial price when company was started, that initial price value will also be decreased when the split will be announced, along with the total number of share price will be decreased as per the split announced. That means if they are going to announce 1:2, that means that price will be divided by 3. If they are going to announce split 1:4, that means that price will be divided by 5, 1 plus 5. Okay, so this is the difference in bonus and in split. In case of bonus, shareholder is going to get extra share. In case of split, also shareholder are going to get extra share. But in the case of bonus, only the price of that particular share will be decreased. Face value will be remain same. In case of split, the price value will also decrease and the face value will also decrease, and dividend will come from the reserve only. Okay, in case of company growth, if company don't want to invest in another growth history, then they can just announce the dividend. So this is the difference between bonus, dividend and split. Hope you understand, and if you understand, just write down in the comment box if any confusion you have. We are going to announce 100% free of cost training regarding financial market and stock market. If you want to join that training, then you just write your name, your location name and your phone number and in the comment box only, and we will be in touch with you. Next, we will going to bind up this and we will meet you again on next class. Thank you. Thank you.